today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a rocket sprite by using Scratch. By double clicking on the icon, I'm going to open my Scratch window. First of all, I'm going to delete my current sprite. Now, by using this choose a sprite icon, I am going to start drawing my sprite. So from here, I am going to select the second option. So this is the area we are going to do our drawing. And these are the tools we are going to use when sketching our rocket. So these upper tools will help you to edit your sprite. As well as that, this fill option will help you to fill the colors of your rocket. Alright, now I'm going to give a name for my rocket. So I'm going to type rocket 1. As the initial shape, I am going to use a small oval. So here you can see we have several tools where we can use, but as I need an oval, I am going to use this circle shape. Now I'm going to drag on this blank area with my mouse, and like this, I am going to draw my oval. Okay, so as you know, by only using this oval shape, I cannot draw a rocket. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to reshape this oval. So here you have a tool called reshape. First I'm going to select it. Okay, so with this tool, y'all can place some points on your shape. So mainly they have given you 4 main points. If you want, you can drag these points and edit it. Okay. Now I'm going to drag this point and I'm going to reshape the oval. Okay. Right, so like this you can place a point on the shape, and as your preference you can reshape this. Okay, so now I need to move this shape a bit down. So I'm going to select this move tool and then I will drag it and place it here. Alright, so now I'm going to put a small tail to my rocket. So for this, I'm going to use a small rectangle. So here we have the rectangle tool. Just click on it and drag on your empty space. As you can see, both my shapes contain a small outline. So I don't need it actually. I'm going to erase it. To do this, first click on your shape and then from the outline tool, you can give no outline. So I'll remove the outline of both my shapes. Right, now let's add the both wings of our rocket. To do this, I'm going to take a small rectangle again. Right, so I'll place it here and I'll readjust it, and with this tool, I'm going to turn it a bit. As the wings are not bit clear, I am going to fill it with another color. Okay. Alright, so like this I can readjust it. Alright, so this wing should be hidden under the main rocket shape. So what I'm going to do is, I will select my wing, and here we have two options called forward and backward. So if you click this backward option, you can hide this wing under the main shape of the rocket. Now I'm going to do some adjustments like this. Okay, so I'm going to do another wing with the same size. So let's go to the select tool. And then I'm going to click on this copy option one time, and then you can give the paste option. Right, so as you can see, the same wing will be copied and pasted again. Right, now you can place it properly as your wish. So the main structure is completed by now. Alright, now I'm going to separate the colors of the rocket. So I'll copy and paste another shape of the oval. And like this, I'm going to separate the part that I want. After that, you can erase the things that you don't want. Okay, to make it a bit clear, I'm going to change the color of the upper part. Alright, to the tail area, I'm going to add 3 squares like this. Okay, so I'm going to place it over here. So to the body section of the rocket, I will add 3 circles. Actually, they are like 3 buttons. Right, so under the tail area, we can draw some fire. Okay, so to do the fire, I am going to use the line tool. It's not hard, it's very easy. So I'll change the color into orange. Right. Okay, so I have finished my final sketch. Now I'm going to do some adjustments. Okay, so finally I'm going to add the real colors for my rocket. The wings and the upper part will be red, and for the body I'm going to put royal blue. For the body buttons, I am going to use white, and for the outline, I'll use black. To change the thickness of your outline, in front of the outline tool, you have a small square. So here you can mention the width of the outline. Okay, so finally I will place the components properly. So at the end, I will add some stars. Over here near my rocket. So if you want to duplicate the same star, you can right click on the current sprite and give duplicate. And to make these stars a bit small, I am going to type a smaller size like 50 for my stars. Okay, so finally I'll change the colors of the stars with the costume icon. Finally, I can change the background by going to the stage like this. Okay, so this is the final look of my rocket sprite. So hope you enjoyed my video. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.